Yes, hello. Alright. Who wants to go for a swim? Who's brave? Who's the brave one? Are you the brave one? You're the brave one today. Okay. Here we go. There you go. Off you go. Next up, go for a swim. Hi. Go for a swim. Next up, who's going for a swim? Oh, going for a swim. There you go. Go for a swim. All right. Oh, you ready, huh? All right, Bert. There you go. There's the ladies. Go for a swim. All right, you guys doing okay? Let me get this out of the way. You can't eat that. You can eat these. These are edible. Give that a try. Might be a little tough for you. You know what might be better? I've got something that may be a little bit better. Give me a second here. Alright, now they've discovered that the red bud flowers are edible and they enjoy eating those. We're going to give them a shot at these. These are, of course, canna shoots. And canna shoots are high in protein. And they float. Okay. Have to make the little pieces small enough. Now we got floating protein pellets for them here. There you go. That's food. Yeah. Here, let me make a bunch of smaller ones for you. Oh, you guys are having fun, aren't you? Is that better? Yeah. There you go. I've got hungry duckies. Yeah, you discovered those are edible, huh? The outer skin is a little tough on these, but once you get past that outer skin, oh yeah, the inside is just tender and chewy, tender and delicious. Look at that. That's easy to eat, huh? A lot easier whenever I peel them, huh? Alright, so we're going to peel these and cut them up fine. There we go. Hey guys? There you go. Why do I feel like I was cooking for Philistines? Tell you what, I'm going to chop these up over there and let the ducks have that. Don't mind me. Oh, just gonna sit over here and prepare your dinner. That's right. I am a chef preparing gourmet food for ducks. Okay, this is a little tough. Which one is on the inside? You gotta peel the outer fibrous portions of the shoot away. There we go. And you have this nice tender inside. That's what we're looking for. You guys about ready for a treat? I know you're hungry. Always hungry. All right. So canna lily shoots are good for people to eat too, not just for ducks. Ducks can't eat them. They're good for people too. There we go. Just gotta go ahead and throw all that out there. It'll float on the surface. You guys just pick them off as you like. How's that for convenient? Now the shoots are higher in protein. The roots, the rhizomes, are higher in starch. Flowers are also edible. Like having lettuce. These guys are going to really enjoy having fresh canna shoot a part of their diet. Okay guys, while you are chowing down there, no, you can't eat the stick. While you're chowing down there on your fresh veggies, you got fresh veggies and you got, let's drop some flower buds for you too. Fresh veggies and flower buds. Get some more flower buds there. Oh yeah! What do you think? Is it good? I mean, they look forward to coming out and playing out here because they know they're going to be able to swim, and they're going to get lots of food that they can just forage for. They have to crowd around the bowl. And so while they're doing their thing, I've got to keep an eye out for them because I can't let the hawks and the eagles have after them. The shelter is helpful, but I think having a human being nearby is also going to help protect them. So while they're busy having their lunch, I'm going to work on putting together a little pot for cayenne. I'm just going to grow one, and a couple Seminole pumpkins. We're going to go ahead and get those started up.